So now we are proceeding to insert the records into the tables, and we have created all of the tables which are needed for our university database. And first of all, we are going to insert the records into departments. So in the table of departments, we have attributes such as department code, department name, department location, budget, and contact form. And we are going to insert these records. I think these are the 15 records because uh, I have given 15 records in this query. And first of all, the Department of Computer Science, this is the uh, department code. So, department code, math, physics, chemistry, English, economics, biostat. So, you know that when you are learning some courses like DLD, so DLD I think contains the department code of CS, and the courses such as linear algebra or computational physics, I think, if you study this course, and they have the department code of other departments. Like Pakistan study does not have the course code starting from the name of the computer science. So these are specific to different departments. So these are the department codes, and this is the full name of the department, and this is the location of the department, and this is the budget, and this is the contact form. So these records would be inserted into the specific relevant attribute. So I am just going to copy this code and paste that into SQL box IUB database SQL, and I would just paste that, and it would insert these 15 rows into the departments table. Now I can check that. You can see that these are all the records into the table, and this is basically showing the department ID 32, 33, 34, 35, because I had created that I have inserted the records before for checking purpose, and that's why this is starting the department ID from 32, because it is set to auto increment. So you do not need to worry about that. When you will create your you will insert your own records, the ID would start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So let me show you how to insert the record manually. So first of all, department ID is set to auto increment. So I am just nursing, and the department name would be nursing department, and the location would be in the academic, the nursing college, room 110, and budget can be 5 million, and contact phone will be this. So now it is successfully inserted, and now I can check that at the 47th place, the nursing department, sorry, I have misspelled it, nursing department. So now it has updated it. So nursing department, and the location is nursing college. So it's the way how you insert the records into specific tables. So you can insert it by the SQL queries and by manual approach as well. So just wait for my next video. I am going to insert records into all of the tables.